Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will solve the exercise Drop It from Intermediate Algorithm Scripting in freeCodeCamp. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay? So we are given an array and we need to iterate through and remove each element starting from the first element at the 0 index until the function func returns true. So when the function returns true, then the iterate it element is passed through it, and we just need to return the rest of the array once the condition is satisfied. Otherwise, array should be returned as an empty array. Okay, let's see. We need to just go through this array, and as soon as this function returns true, then we just return the rest of the array. Okay, I think there's a short and very clear way to do this. What we can do is make a while loop, okay, and the boolean and the condition in the while loop should be that function of array at 0 should return false. Okay, and if it returns false, we just remove from that array that element. So we are going through the array and we are always getting the first element. So let's see, in the first iteration we get the first element. If this one returns false, which means this function returns false, then the condition is true because we put this negate here. What we want to do in this case, we just do array.shift, which just removes the first element, the element with index 0 from the array. And after it removes that element, then we again, in the next iteration, we will get the element with index 0, which will be the second element in the original array. Okay? So let's see what this does. Okay. Let's test it with 1, 2, 3, 4, and the function means n is bigger than or equal to 3, and this one returns 3, 4. I think this one is working. It's pretty short, but it's working. So just to make sure you look at the code so you can understand everything. Right here, we will always get the next element. If we keep shifting, the element at index 0 will be a different one because the array will be shrinking by removing one element at the top. Okay, I think this one does it. Maybe here we need to add another check that the array isn't empty, because if it is empty, then we might get an error, or we might go into an infinite loop. So let's do another check here. Array is diff arrays.length is bigger than 0, and we do end here. Okay, I think this one should do it. Let's see, let's run the tests. Yeah, perfect. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.